I'm Melissa B, and this is my YouTube channel. I feel so weird saying that, but I watch these videos of other people's YouTubes and they say these things, so I feel like I need to say these things. It's not coming natural to me. Today, I want to cut my hair and I want to start working towards having my undercut again because I'm not gonna grow this, I don't think, too extremely much longer than what it is, but I really wanna start seeing this overlay this on the sides. So I'm going to do that today, and then also gonna clean up my nape because I like for that to be nice and tight, and it's not right now. So the nape's gonna get blended, but the sides are gonna be really easy because there's no blending. We're just gonna shave it. That's gonna be fun. Things you will need. Clippers here, I use the Stylecraft Rebel, the best I've ever used. I love the guards, they're magnetic. They just pop right on. They're super sturdy because I'm really good at dropping things. The barber brush, this is just a cleaning brush. You can clean your clippers with it. It also is great for brushing the shaved parts of your hair to make sure everything is laying very nice and neat. And also, after you've done some cutting, it'll help you get any of those little hairs that might be stuck in there, in your actual hair that's left on your head, out. Fade comb from Stylecraft. Clips here, my little Velcro grip. Trimmers. Another very important tool is a mirror. Like, it's probably, aside from the cutting tools, one of the most important tools. So I use the self-cut system. It is a 3-way mirror. This version has lights already built into it. A whole version that's no lights. There's this version, there's even some like gold Lamborghini type version. They've got something for everyone. So I'll link all of this in the description, but you really, really need a mirror that's gonna show you all the angles of your head. So to start with, I just wanna kind of map out, let me brush my hair. Yeah. All right, so you kind of will eyeball like where you want. So if I clip all this hair up, that's not gonna get cut, but it's gonna hang over this hair here. And that's about where I'm going for, is right around that ridge right here. It's above the temple, right where the head starts to really round up. These can come in handy because you can put it there and it's like all the way here, so it's holding all that hair out and it's trying to kind of get pushed by my hair, so I'm just gonna put a clip there too. So see, that holds everything nice and out of my way, so I can just go right in there with my clippers. And I'm just gonna repeat that on the other side. Okay, now it's all clipped off. And I'm going to use my clippers with, I think I'm gonna use about 2 guard. And I'm gonna clip all the way, just straight up here. Keeping in mind though, that I want to have a more blended look once I get around to the back. So I want to only actually clip from what's in front of my ear forward. Better already. We're going to take this same guard, the number 2, and then we're going to meet these right here, but I'm not going to go up into this hair. I'm leaving this hair long, and I don't want to cut into this. So now I'm going to use these to keep my guide on the sides here as I go down, so that I know I don't want to cut above those areas. I'm gonna put this And this is where I want to take it up to, right here. So that's where I'm going to use my clipper, right there. So still got the 2 guard. Hold it, come at it this way. So I pretty much got that one side. I'm gonna go back and blend this line out back here, but I'm leaving this line here. I don't want that blended. So now I need my trimmers because I'm gonna use my trimmers and my comb. So slide that in there. And you can see this long hair here. You see these hairs dropping out down here. It's that long hair right there. And that's starting to blend now. So I can still see just a little bit through here. So now I'm going to use my clipper. And just kind of like a scooping motion. Grab my number 3 guard now because I still see a slight line. So I'm going to close these back up, remove the 2 guard, add my 3 guard, but that line again. There we go. Now we're getting somewhere. Don't be afraid to use your other hand and move your scalp around where you need to, because if you pull that a little bit tighter, it can help you get those lines out. That up. Now, let's move on to the other side. Okay, so remember we had that 2 guard on there. 2 close, Velcro to help you find your guide. Use your door, mirror, whatever. When your arm gets tired, it can be really helpful to help you keep your hand steady. Yeah, I'm really liking the way this is looking. Okay, remember I still have that 2 guard on, so we just push it out, brush your hair, push this out of your way, so you can see what you're trying to blend. I usually can do one side better than the other. This is my side that I usually am better at cutting. Close it up, and let's change to that number 3. So now we're just gonna check and make sure that we got everything nice and blended. Can't decide where I want that, so let's brush it and see how it looks. Yeah, I think we could blend that. I'm gonna extend this because I see something just a little bit higher. So we've got that 3 guard on, and on this side, I'm seeing like a little something weird right there. Oh yeah, that's better. All right, so let's do that. That scoop motion just keeps you from going too high up in this area that you're not trying to cut. So there's a few tools that I forgot to tell you about in the beginning. Things that are great to have if you are a DIY cutter is a pair of thinning shears and also a razor, because these 2 tools are made to leave the edges of the hair not so blunt. And so when you are DIYing especially, and you're trying to blend something and blend a line out and you're just having a really hard time, sometimes you just need a good old pair of thinning shears. So like right through here, it's a bit weighty and I don't really like that bulk there. So I'll take my brush, my comb here, and your thinning shears, and you can literally cut that. If you keep going at one spot, it'll cut it away completely. So you do need to be cautious of that, but sometimes that comes in handy. So like right here, I still see a little something there. So yeah, see how that just blends? Is more like it. All right, we're moving on to this razor. I just used my trimmers on my neck like not even a week ago, so it's really not gonna get it that much closer, but this will take it off completely. Okay, so at a 45-degree angle, so not flat, pull the skin. You wanna make sure you have a sharp blade for this, otherwise you're just going to be scratching your neck up.